All right, in this video, we're going to dissect sternohyoid and sternothyroid. There are 4 muscles around the trachea right here in the center. First thing you might want to do is a little cleanup dissection. So I'm just using my scissors. I want to push all of this down from sternomastoid. So just a little push and a nip, baby nip. Get all of these fibers. Make sure you don't shred anything under here. So the first step is just, and make sure you push all that down. If it hangs up, just a little nip. There we go. I'm going to do the same thing on, oh, nice and clean on this side. This side was already done. Okay. You guys will have to deal with these strings too. You can kind of push them down and tuck them out of the way if they'll stay down in there. Hey, there we go. All right, now here's where you start this dissection. You'll be able to see this. Now, on most of your cats, you probably still have a little tiny blue feeder that dives into the center of the throat. If you don't, that's all right. Just pull this out of the way. Right dead center in the throat. You're going to see a separation. It's right, I think the round side of your probe is right there. Now you can see that line on both sides. That is the center of the 2 sternohyoids. These are the long ones. So I'm going to go right down the center. Watch this. If I put pressure on this, let me grab this. You can see that line starting, the white line starting to appear right there. A little bit of connective tissue here. Watch, I'm just going to drag that off. Drag. Oops. All right, now watch, just, can you see, oh, you can see that line. As soon as I grabbed and put pressure on one side, there's the line. It's much bigger right down the center. And this is an easy dissection, even on the big cats. This should just separate. So I'm just scraping, moving my forceps, keeping good solid support here. That one doesn't want to come apart. So I'm just going to, oop, got it. Now, we're going to do the push and pull, okay? I'm going to push to the left, pull to the right. Watch this thing come apart. Look at this. If you have a very, very soft cat where it's still a little squishy, be careful here. Look at this though. Okay, that took me what, 5 seconds, 6 seconds? No more than a minute for you guys. Now, these are the 2 sternohyoids separated. I'm just going to move to one side and I'm going to pull apart. And you should be able to see where it's getting real white. Watch this. Grab this one and pull. Look at that. There's a line right there. So what I'm going to do is just follow that line. Watch this. Move the forceps. Pull. Just gently scraping on that line. Move the forceps. Pull. Gently scraping. Gently. And then you should watch this. You are now under that muscle. So all I'm going to do, you're not going to see this part, I'm going to use my scissors and I'm going to clean out all of the connective tissue underneath. And this comes right up to the hyoid bone, so we want to finish that dissection all the way up. Support it. Bam. Now I'm just going to, again, do a push and pull on the way down. Just gently push and pull. More pushing than pulling. Flip the tool, and that one is completely dissected. That is the right sternohyoid. Now here's the trick. There's another one right next to it. It's the very next muscle. You have to be careful though. This is called the sternothyroid, and it only comes up to the thyroid cartilage, which is the Adam's apple. Not that this cat has one, but that's where it would be on you. If you dissect this one that I'm pointing to right now, as far as this one, you're going to tear it. It's actually connected right there. So I'm going to lift it up, and you should be able to, if I roll it over, oh, you can see that on the video. There's white right there. That's where I want to scrape. And this one's about half the size as the other one. So if you have a little cat, this one's going to be easy to tear. It only goes to right there. Swing it around. Come on, sweetheart. This would be way easier if it wasn't on camera. Ooh, be careful. Okay, take the round side, and I'm just going to gently push the tissue down underneath it. There's a little bit of connective tissue right here. I can take that off with my scissors. Don't cut it though, be careful. That's just connective tissue, no worries. Come on, buddy. And that is sternothyroid. Notice this one ends here, sternohyoid. Sternothyroid's way back here. And you can see there's not much holding it on. If you get real aggressive, it's going to pop. That's what I want it to look like. Now, you will do the same exact procedure on the other side. Get this one, pull it tight, dissect the line, get that one finished, do thyroid. So I want this done on both sides of the throat. We're doing 4 muscles in 1 dissection.